your new Toyota Starlet Cross. Own it.
It is good to be powered by World Sports Betting. It is good times. The CEO does that is Kukune 1, Kaiser Chiefs 1, Betway Premiership. Chiefs on the verge of not getting into the top 8. Junior Kanye, our analyst. Your thoughts on the game, sir?
Yeah, ngikule mabrother kunjani?
Yes, sir.
Ngibulisa Justice.
Just sir?
Ngibulisa Benedict Sofilakazi.
Yes, sir.
Tana wela Sinambo Machaka.
Yes, sir.
Ngibulisa le Mulindo Pep.
Yes, sir.
Ebafethu kunjani? Keep on supporting iDisky TV, fighting no one try to fix up the African football. Come a reality check today. Coming to the game, watching between Skokun and Kaizer Chiefs first half watching. I'm not too sure what the coach was trying to do. I'm not too sure what I'm playing. I saw Kaizer Chiefs overloading his side like left. So right forward wingers going on the left hand side, which is Leliepo and Pudemodi. I'm not too sure who was supposed to play on the right. As a coach, analyzing Skokune, watching Skokune, all the games that they've been playing, or leaving Keletso Makhalo, him alone, you will be exposed. First half, based on the first half, for me, I think the game should be my go of time, maybe 2-1 or 3-1. I believe Skokune, they were better in terms of ball possession, combination play, the way they were playing, creating chances.
In control of the game.
Yes, just at the last state, I think it's where they got it wrong. Keletso, I think very dangerous. I think first half go aside in this Kukune, very dangerous player, speedy player, improve Keletso. It's no longer the same. It's just a speedy player without thinking. He has maturity, maturity. A very dangerous player, cuts in when he has to. He do combination play. Always, I think someone begaba late. And
why was Solomon's overlapping, even though behind him there's Makhalo?
That's why I need to mean
a dangerous player.
Assistant, bring your assistant, or even you as a coach, they rate you high based on the massive when we listen to whatever in media and stuff. We need the first 10 minutes. It's like right, Solomon was playing alone on the right hand side. This guy went on the left hand side, him and Omoding on the left. And also Serino playing as 8 or 9. I can say 8 or 10. Second striker behind Utuba. And Utuba solid. I never got the ball. Yes, we can say Utuba never came in, but they actually supply now. We understand nothing. Always Polela left. Move it left, Pelela left, I'll figure boxing. Every time I'm not too sure who they crossing, because they are all the way right. And then this guy he can't travel Nepola and Solomon. Nepola Velizo Puma apparently. Sometimes we'll be lucky to get him. I'll tell you, but who's supporting him number 8 or 10. Where's he? Yusuf Mart, Lala sort of a back 4, protective back 4, Yusuf Mart run wherever. Tactical discipline, Shire. Not, I know he scored last week. Well done to Mfani Kiriak in terms of his career. Wasn't simple. But watching his game today, it does same thing. Complicating things, impossible things. I don't understand why he has to play long ball. Mela short. Why Mela combine is sometimes just to push a baller. And then you turn, on just play and support. Why him fail we ends it. Today in Bonawata. Ya pass up, Melanga Pante, promises. It's very easy to Chiefs lose a position by that way. Also on the right hand side in Kulmangas Kokun, I think the coach was supposed to be angry. Because the guy Manaka didn't give him anything. Next. And that boy Makati became Makile, graduate Chamach. Yes, it's been a while, a Pronyotiwe, 4-3 season, if not mistaken. But Ramfana regularly. Just make sure you balance on my side. Now we understand the coach on the right hand side. First off, is Kukune Yobangisho supposed to score goals, if not mistaken, 2 or 3, but they are themselves to blame. So many silly decision making wrong. But just pick the spot, they shoot. They're not even getting the target. And well done to Kaizer Chiefs, they just got the one chance. Kulmanga first half. Ipola this guy, I think Luino Marti pass really. For me, I ran with the ball, being arrogant on the ball, push the ball, cutting in. There was a run mode on the left hand side, by 2 foot, left. And then I think it was a drop kick. Well done, good goal. I think the goal was 2 also. But it's one chance, one goal. None than that, I'm a crosser. And I'm not too sure what it's a tactical or whatever say from the coach. With the ball, I've been saying this. Mbona wing Chiefs, or they're playing, somebody who's playing on the left, it can be left wing back, or right wing back. Playing that diagonal ball, I'm not too sure why. Or surprise my opponent, I'm not too sure. Unabuchi, it's him shifted, I'm not too sure. Phela you can combine break team. Ibhola lize lifike ngalo. They're not doing that. I think ukudlala kanjalo predictable mfethu. There's no game that they dominated. Ngikhuluma nga first half. Second half I think Sekhukhune make ngikhuluma ngoNcuba. I think first half udlala as a false nine. It gave them nothing now. I think Umkhize, yes, I give Mnare. He plays like a youngster.
The midfielders
energy. Nomkhize complimented. They play well done to them in terms of they detect the midfield. For them, for me, I think game by win the middle. Namhlanje. Chinka mina ngimthandela riding. Nagu Cape Town City when he was playing. No Tata. Also Mkeke and this guy Wambilo Mbina. Three of them. Always says. When you have Utinka must choose midfielders, you will choose the best midfielders. Magamba kuzana bomcoach uyibonile midfielder yakhe benjani noma ambile nomkeke. On the second half, bringing for me, I think ukuletha uMtambo, I think they make 3 sub.
Mtambo, Kapinga, and someone else
dropping the game. I mean, the game yabo they never went behind the defensive Chiefs. It's only one ball goalkeeper Pumile the way Chiefs had to miskick the ball. Hotel cover lamba pants and then supposed to kick while pusher and then he cut in what Kelu goalkeeper saver. La Puma Konu goalkeeper. But none other than that, not much of chances.
There was a 1v1 ngomncube second half.
Yeah, but it's a well done to Mkhize. I think people also will immediately. But not many chances like first
scored.
half.
Yeah.
Not many because now we came here but they never went behind the defensive Chiefs. Second half Chiefs, Yona. I'm not too sure what they were doing. I'm still wondering because what they did, same the entire week in and week out. I know he scored to Ulilepo. None other than goal. How he plays, you can't as a wing. People got right to sitting a line in. I mean, I'm like not where now we are isolated with your teammates. You playing as if you don't want them. As a coach, just tell him he's an experienced player. Just come in, sometimes touch the ball, wheeling apart, in and out. He's waiting. Na first, nkuluma second half yonke. He didn't do anything. He went to right, nothing. Solomon, konelinye bola bal crosser. I think he find ungene boxing. Lela bola be mele chole iwudu lepo. Lela chole receiver and then the goalkeeper walbamba.
Let's look at the red card incident. What did you think about that?
It's a red card.
Red card.
Yeah, for me.
Why did you think he did that?
It did the frustration. It's frustrated because he's playing week in and week out. He's giving nothing for me. If they had better players, he was not supposed to play. Obviously, if you don't do anything, now you're frustrated to yourself because he gives nothing. At Kaizer Chiefs, it doesn't attack. It doesn't. He sometimes scores, and you're not too sure when. Because through how they played today, last week they began a character. They didn't play well. Parrot didn't come to the party. I need to be honest on the character. So I'm not going to character in today's game, if we can be honest, if we say if you between big middle winning game, mina for me I would say it's Sekhukhune. Yes, second half now about 20 minutes I can say they now Baba Susi they go foot accelerate and then they play position.
But Modi was frustrated.
For me, it frustrated. You can't deal in a 1v1. You are playing as a wing forward. You sometimes do vice versa. I'm not too sure. Even the coach in Kaizer Chiefs to show good to a creme. He put him to today, and also Utipris. Nobody did nothing. Coming to this game, 2 came last week. I had this thing good going forward. The Pozo Chata from there.
Yeah.
But coming to this game, he did nothing. There's no impact that he brought today. Also, Tipris, went vice versa. Sometimes you need to sit on the box. Even if you run, edge of the box. That's all. Not wide, but cross the line.
Right. Running out of time. If Chiefs, they have a big hurdle next week. They have to win. By the way, we are coming back only next week for the final. You won't see us tomorrow. You won't see us midweek. We'll only come back in the final of the CAF Champions League. That's the only match we're focusing on next week. We'll predict it on Friday at 3 p.m. On Saturday, watching Sundowns Pyramids, first leg of the final. It will be at home. And then we'll come back for another final, the second leg of the final. And that will be the end of the season. We are done. We are tired. We're going to pre-season just like everyone. If Nabi doesn't get to top 8.
Yeah, it's very easy. It's not going to get. I mean, I'm not going to say if.
So what do you do as Chiefs? Marange in the top 8.
I mean, I'm actually leaving last week. I'm not going to change. The guy is supposed to leave it Kaizer Chiefs. I'm telling that there's a lot of things. The way he won the cup, understand that. And I'm not saying some people, they do understand the game. But some of us, they just
Most don't understand the game.
I mean, I see people back on Balazio, but Tabanye, they just love the team.
Yeah.
I need to be honest. I'm not trying to be rude, but there are people who understand. Because if you win ugly, if you are lucky, you must be concerned. going forward. Sometimes how he plays today is not even convincing even next season. The players that he's going to bring, I'm a player that they deserve to play for Chiefs now. Leopold is scoring sometimes at Chiefs, we need to be honest, but the way he's playing, questionable. So even if this guy stays, just let him go, simple. Because I'm going to go top 8 for me. I can be honest, I show you. If see that they're playing now, the chance, but started very well, but Babe in our second
they might also be out of the top.
Yes, dropping the points, they want the game. So it's going to be difficult. They're going to frustrate Kaizer Chiefs. And Kaizer Chiefs, if you frustrate them in terms of it's very difficult. Next week, the coach is going to play these diagonal crosses. I wanted to score on crosses as well. So I don't see him going there. Let him go. Simple.
There you go. Thank you very much, Junior. That was Kaizer Chiefs 1, Sekhukhune 1 in the Betway Premiership. We'll come back next week. We'll come back next week at 3 p.m. For the CAF Champions League final. It is Diski Times, also sporting. For breaking news, go to itdiskitimes.co.za.
Shapunjan Bafuyetui Kamala Mulindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to Diski TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niazi Bafuyetui, I'm a coach for life. They are back in winning ways. Please, subscribe to Diski TV.